Hi guys, today we will discuss about the Java programming. In last class, we have discussed about the programming language. Now today we are discuss about the Java programming. That means what is Java? Simple way, in other words, simple way, Java is a high level class based object oriented programming language that is designed to here as implement dependencies as possible outcomes. It is designed by the James Gosling in 23rd May 1995. Java is basically the product of the Sun Microsystems. In before, it the starting with the Java name is Oak. Oak, a already company registered in the Oak technology in web servers. So James Gosling and teams has decided the names of rename of the Oak, that means Java. In other words, Java is a programming language of independent platform, new topic, new line, independent platform. That means now we will discuss about the platform. Platform means where hardware and software environment which a program runs together, where hardware and software environment in which a program runs. Same, Java has a runtime environment, that is JRE, and API, application program interface. Now we discuss the some important point of the Java related, that means platform, Java plugin, and so on. In other words, Java is a programming language of the independent platform. Java is a high level, robust. Robust mean strong, be secure. High level, robust, and object oriented and secure programming language. It is developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. In now, discuss about the Java plugin. Java plugin is a technology to use the Java. Java plugin software is component of the JRE. JRE means Java runtime environment. That means Java JDK, Java Development Kit inside JRE, inside JVM. Java Development Kit provides a environment of the JRE, Java Runtime Environment, which execute the source program through the JVM to give the output. In Java and C++, the source program compiler through source program run to the one by one line. But Java has both of the compiler and interpreter. Source program convert into bytecode. A bytecode interact with the JVM and give the outputs to the Java applications. Now, why use Java? Why use Java? Simple way में Java works on the different platforms like as a Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Next one, it is the one of the most popular language in the world, more than the 3 billions in the real world. It is easy to stand and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast and powerful language. It has a huge community support. And next one, Java is a close to C++ and C sharp. Full stop. It makes for programmers to switch the application Java to another or another to Java, Java to vice versa. Where the application use of Java, the first one, the Java application used in desktop applications. Second one, web applications. Third one, enterprise applications, mobile applications, embedded systems, smart cards, robotics, games, etc. These applications are defined in a short. Desktop application, which are the prepared like as a Acrobat Reader, games, or etc. Web application. Through the web application, the some features of the Java to develop a dynamic page on the server. Enterprise application means to develop application in the different sector like as a banking system, banking software, enterprise through enterprise application. Mobile application. Mobile applications are those applications to under the edition of the Java ME, micro editions. Next, embedded system, smart card, robotics and games. So guys, you are the familiar with the application of the Java applications. Now we discuss about the types of the Java applications. Mainly there are the three types, but now recently a new type of the generated by the Java applications, that means standalone, web application, enterprise application, last one mobile applications. Standalone application, that means desktop application, Windows based. Desktop application, Windows based, like as a Acrobat Reader. Web application, the some applications are included with the web servers, servlets, use of the servlets, JSP, web, Hibernate, internet, etc. Enterprise edition, through EJB is used for the creating the enterprise applications. Mobile applications, some important point related with the Java technology. Android and Java ME are used form a created for a mobile applications. In the market, basically there are the three editions available on that. First one, Java SE, Java ME, a standard edition, enterprise edition, Java ME micro edition, or last one new launch, Java FX. To develop the rich internet applications, it used to lightweight user interface API. In C++, we know that the multiple inheritance features lies in the inheritance. Same inherit the properties, inherit the different type of the superclass, parent class to single one class. Multiple inheritance, same like as a Java. Improve this feature by the new features interface. Interface through Java develop the features of C++. Now the features of the Java, they are the mainly 12 features in Java. First one, object oriented. Basically object oriented means एक object, the language, the object classes depends on like as a object Object means real world entity. Object have two properties. First one, state 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 and behavior. That means data and method. Data and method. Second one is simple. Java language is very simple to easy learn and secure to fast and powerful. Platform independent. Robust means already strong, portable, architecture normal, dynamic, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded or distributed. They are the important features of the Java to build up a powerful language in the market. Thank you so much.